what we normally design for the wall. These are good products to help give you some different color schemes, different styles, different options. And then we look at what type of decorative version. If you want to put like a secondary color on the shower wall, and we can use colors like these right here to help break up that wall. We know what our shower looks like. We have the shower walls, we have the shower floor, we have our decorative color. Now we start playing with our flooring on the main floor of the bathroom. And then you get to select which type of door style you like. We can start playing with different types of countertops. Now we just started creating the whole palette for the bathroom. The shower floors, the shower walls. We have the pebble option for the shower floor. We have another bathroom floor material. And then on top of your bathroom floor, we have our cabinets. And then you have your countertop.